myeloma is one of the commonest of them all. So, what is myeloma? It is a cancer of certain cells which arise from the bone marrow called the plasma cell. They are normal cells. Plasma cells function in the body to increase the immunoglobulins which are responsible for fighting against certain infections. But when these plasma cells increase in number disproportionately, they cause cancer called myeloma and they start secreting a protein called M protein. This M protein can cause havoc in the body in mainly four forms, which is called as a CRAB. CRAB. Now, C stands for hypercalcemia, means these M protein they cause the bones to erode and calcium levels to go up. R they cause renal dysfunction, as in your kidneys to go down. The creatinine value in the blood starts going high. Then A for anemia, means when these plasma cells they occupy the bone marrow space more than what they are supposed to, then the rest of the blood cells in the body they go down, which includes red blood cells. And B stands for bone lesions. What is bone lesions? Basically, these plasma cells, which are the cancerous cells, they invade the bones. They try to eat up the bones, which causes hollowing of the bones and weakening of the bones, which are called as bone lesions. So, how do we detect it fast? We can detect it by seeing a doctor for unremitting back pain, for unexplained increase in creatinine. Earlier the better. If we diagnose it early, we can actually take good control of it. We have very good medications which are not like conventional chemotherapies but more targeted therapies to control this disease in a very, very effective manner.